day it is.
It's your birthday?
You betcha it is. Best day of the year. Besides Christmas. And Halloween. And Thanksgiving.
Happy birthday, Amber.
For moi.
It's a brand new edition. It apparently comes with 22 different settings.
Sloth mode. Classic. What are the other 21 settings?
Honestly, I'm not sure. You should probably read the instruction sheet it came with before you keep playing with it.
That instruction sheet? I thought it was wrapping paper.
You're listening to HERO. In breaking news, the arson villain known as the Spark has been spotted setting trash cans on fire. Whereabouts of the Spark are still unknown. Updates to come.
You thinking what I'm thinking, Amber?
You got it, Credo. Let's go eat some birthday cake. Oh, right. Let's go catch the Spark. I smell smoke coming from down the street. I'm gonna go check it out.
You want backup?
Stay here just in case the Spark makes a run for it.
Roger that.
Hold it right there, Spark. I said hold it right there. Oh my God. Hey, wait! Come back! Come on! Come back!
Did you catch her?
I didn't do anything.
So you didn't catch the Spark?
No, she got away. I'm hungry. Are you hungry?
Okay, I guess we could head back and get a quick snack.
Okay, you lead the way.
We should probably head back out and keep looking for the Spark before she gets too far. Are you coming?
I think I ate my applesauce too quick. You go on without me.
Okay, feel better.
Finally. Oh, come on. How am I supposed to burn this place down without my fire powers? Credo, thank goodness you're here. She stole my fire engine and... Wait, what are you doing?
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law.
Wait, Credo, it's me, Ember. I accidentally shot the Spark with my Nerf gun, and now we switched bodies. You've got to believe me.
Yeah, and my grandpa's King of Canada.
There is no King of Canada.
Exactly.
I'm telling you, I'm not the Spark. I'm Ember. Why would I lie about something like that?
Is something burning?
I don't know.
Ember, what did you do?
What are you talking about? See, I told you she's the Spark. What are you talking about?
Why on earth did you microwave a spoon?
Because she's trying to burn the house down. I just forgot to put the bowl of soup in with
How
it.
does that make a difference? Ember, you of all people know you can't microwave metal.
She's not Ember. I am. What are you talking about? I'm Ember. Oh, really? What day is it then? Tuesday. Wrong. It's my birthday. Fredo, get the Nerf gun. Oh, come on. Please don't send me back to jail.
Oh, you're going back to jail, all right.
But if you're good, I might let you light my birthday candles.
Happy birthday, dear Ember. Happy birthday to you.
Listen to HRO. The Spark is back in jail again thanks to the little heroes, one of whom happens to have a birthday today. Ember, this song goes out to you.
Did you tell them it was my birthday?
Maybe. Birthday dance party?
You got it.